How to unfollow on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will guide you on how you can unfollow any account on TikTok. You most probably must have followed some accounts or many accounts on TikTok. Now I'll guide you today to how you can unfollow them. Open the app and make sure you are logged into the account. Once you are logged in, go to your profile. Now, to go to your profile, tap on the profile icon that you can find on the bottom right side of your screen. Once on profile, you can find your username, and just below your username you can find the numbers that you have been following, the number of followers you have, and the likes you have got. Now tap on the following on the screen and it will take you to the list of accounts that you have followed. Now to unfollow them, tap on the following option that you can see on the right hand side of your screen. Once you tap it, you will no longer follow the person and it will show follow option on the account again. If you go to the profile, you can see that you are no longer following the account. You can do so similarly to any account that you want to unfollow. Simply unfollow by tapping on the following option that you can see on the right hand side of your screen. This way you can unfollow anyone on TikTok. Hope this video was useful. Like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below.